Thank you. Let's go sideways. Oh, I know you can't turn your phone while recording, but I'm gonna, because you need to allow it. You need to allow sideways. Facebook. I'm just saying. When I mount it in my car and there's a thing in the way. Okay, here we go. We are attempting to drive from the church to my house. Got the trailer unloaded, got the trailer put away. It is deep. There has got to be, let's see, 4 inches maybe? I mean, I was walking around the car to get the trailer put away, and the trenches are deep. So here we go. I'm surprised there's people awake. Who's awake? Carissa, Fritz. Come on, guys. What are you doing awake still? Midnight. Got church tomorrow. I'm pretty sure I saw, did I see your daughter, Carissa, at the thing? At the youth thing? Anyways, I can turn off the trailer mode. I have 62 miles of gas, so that should make it home. I did confirm that my 4-wheel drive is working. I think it's just that slick. It felt like it wasn't. Look at the road. This is amazing. I've never, okay, I can't say never, but not often do you drive on these roads and it's this deep. Paul Dugan. What are you doing up, Paul Dugan? See you. I see you, Brenda. Yeah, so this is Corporate Woods. Oh, there's another car. What are you guys doing? Besides driving way over there. That guy's got his flashers on going up this hill. He ain't gonna make her, is he? No, he's not. I think he's stuck on the hill. I think he's gonna turn around. Yeah, it's that bad. Like, they're trying to turn around. See that car up there? They're trying to turn it around because they can't get up the hill. And guess what I'm gonna do? Drive around them. Because there's no way I'm pushing them up that hill. Just saying. This is how accidents happen. Somebody's gonna come over the top of that hill and hit this car, and they're not gonna be able to stop. See, you shouldn't be out driving in these conditions with this kind of a car. So what are you gonna do? I'm gonna turn my flashers on because I don't want anybody to come flying up behind me. This is where you turn your steering wheel, you back up, you whip it around, and then you drive the other way. You're not gonna get up the hill. You're just not. I'm telling you. I thought you had meant by your being on the phone and distracted. Yeah, well, I'm stopped right now on Corporate Woods. There you go. Turn to the left. Why are you trying to turn right? Give up going up the hill. Just give up. There, get on the on-ramp. Nope. Nope. Yeah, on-ramp. Go on the on-ramp. Yep. There you go. Look at those nice rims. See here me go in the 4-wheel drive. Bye-bye. Lesson learned. It's actually a struggle for me to get up this hill in a 4-wheel drive Z71 off-road. I don't necessarily have like mega off-road tires, but they're decent for this vehicle. I can feel, this is how much snow there is, I can feel the de-acceleration of my vehicle if I get out of the ruts. That's how deep it is right now. That's deep. And the snow is mesmerizing. I think I'm running on adrenaline right now because the drive down was pretty intense from Clear Lake earlier. So I'm passing the golf course in Corporate Woods. And you're right, Paul, I'm no longer reading the chat. I was just reading it while I was stopped under 2nd Avenue. I see headlights. headlights ahead. The roads are pretty bad. I would definitely say if you're not experienced in driving in snow, and I'm talking this is actually deep, and if you're not in a four-wheel drive vehicle, I would not, that was a tow truck, I would not drive. Absolutely not drive. If you were watching a moment ago, a two-wheel drive, front-wheel drive car could not get up the hill. So they had to turn around, which was dangerous because they were across the road over a hill, so somebody could have kept flying. There's nobody out here. Woo! I purposely did that, by the way. Slid sideways. Kind of fun. This looks like it may have been plowed once, because this is not deep and there are no ruts. So I already lost everyone's interest. I only have one viewer, and it's probably my wife. Visibility is quite low. I see Curtis! I'm literally going that slow. I can see the names on the screen by just glancing really quick. And it's sideways even. Okay, I'm coming up on, what is this street anyways? Oh, Casey's. Is that guy trying to get gas at Casey's? Can you get 24-hour gas at Casey's? I don't know. There's somebody leaving a bar. That's kind of, I hope it's the cook. He was sideways in his Jeep. Yeah, so coming into the south side of Ankeny on Highway 69. This road has definitely been plowed. Let's turn up the defrosters. I'm going 45 in a 50. Things are going well on this road. Oh, only this lane's been plowed. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see, man, it's starting to get a little, I'm gonna have to turn up the defroster. That's the number one problem I notice people having is their windshield icing over. It's 22 degrees. Lots of snow. This lane is plowed, the other one is not. Of course, I'm going to go in the not plowed lane because I would like to go around this car. See if that happens. I don't know if I can keep up with them in the not plowed lane. Checking the intersection, making sure nobody's coming. Don't see anybody. It's definitely, it's definitely difficult to try to keep up with this car. I'm going 40. He's in the plowed lane. I'm in the not plowed lane. Just saying. Woo. Come on, now this is entertaining. I'm gonna get in the ruts. There we go. Now we're in the ruts. Somebody else's ruts. I'm waiting for this car in front of me to not be able to do this. Oh, I see a snowplow up ahead. Nice work. They're pretty brazen there in their Mazda or whatever they're in. Yeah. Red light, don't stop. That's right, keep going. Yep, four-wheel drive. See you later! This is way too fun. I feel like I'm driving on my dad's farm. It's out in the snow. Okay, so we're coming up on Magazine. So we have basically the center lanes are plowed on Ankeny Boulevard. Looks like the turning lane is plowed. Wipers and things are not keeping up. Oh, this part of Magazine's plowed. Oh, the plow's right in front of me, that's why. So our Magazine headed east. The road has just been plowed. The plow's right in front of me, clearing me a path to get home. And I'm really sorry you have to listen to my windshield wipers, the whole two of you that are watching. I see Paul wrote a message, but I cannot read it right now, unfortunately. They need to make a way for the rear defrost to stay on in situations like these, because it shuts itself off after a while, but I need it to stay on. Oh, that's not my street. There's my street. And I can guarantee you my street's not plowed because they don't plow it for about 24 hours after it quits snowing. Can you see the ruts? Can you see them? Let's see what this does. Let's turn the blaster, the wipers on full blast. Wow. Almost home. Almost home. I think I'm gonna make it. Paul, you should come out and drive around in your Toyota. Oh, somebody text me. Oh, just my wife telling me she's getting ready for bed. Every time I pull up to this intersection, that guy's motion light turns on. Wow, if it gets much deeper, I might actually struggle getting around. When I just took off from that intersection, I actually felt the vehicle sink. That's when you know there's a lot of snow. Okay, I'm gonna back in my driveway. Defrost is just, that's not going anywhere. I'm gonna turn off my headlights because I don't want to blind all my neighbors. And I'm gonna back in so I can get my stuff out. Well, this has been another episode of, I don't know what you want to call it, treacherous road conditions. I made it home. I'm glad you could all join me. The roads are bad. Don't go out unless you like to play in the snow. Fun fact, me and my cousin used to drive in the worst snow conditions possible and take gravel roads and drive 2 Blazers just to see if we could make it. And if not, we were just gonna sleep in our car that night. Okay, anyways, I'm home. Have a nice night. Oh, I'm gonna read the comments, Paul. I'm gonna read the comments. I wanna read your comments. Good job. Oh, thanks, buddy. I feel invested now to see you arrive home. Disclaimer, it's not my fault if you try to read this one. That was good. That was good, Paul. And, well, go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sorry, Ty, that you just got on, but I was live streaming my drive from the church because it was really bad. But I made it. I made it back from camp. I made it home. Everybody's good. The rest of the team made it home. So I hope you guys Have a nice night. Bye.